What if your art lived beyond the screen of your iPad or of your computer? What if you could turn it into a book that you can gift or use for your portfolio? That's exactly what we're going to do in this course, giving new life to the artwork that you already created. I will show you how to take your repeat patterns, perhaps repeat patterns that you created previously, and how to turn them into beautiful journal covers and into beautiful notebooks that you can publish using a free Canva account and Amazon KDP. It's one of the easiest, most actionable, and most rewarding ways to breathe new life into your artwork. Here's what I will walk you through step by step. How to recycle your pattern artwork and prep it for print, how to design a custom journal cover using a free Canva account, how to create a lined style notebook interior, how to choose the right book dimensions and file specs for Amazon KDP, which is Amazon's self-publishing platform, how to set up your listing in Amazon KDP step by step, and how to go through the publishing process so your journal is available to buy for yourself, for gifts, or even to sell it in your shop or portfolio. You don't need any prior publishing experience to take this course. Quite on the contrary, all you need is your creativity, perhaps a repeat pattern that you created before, and a free Canva account. That's it. Let's turn your art into something real, useful, and empowering. I hope to see you in class.